Here is a very authentic tribute to the almighty ZL-1 Camaro. The real examples, they made 69 total. They're starting to push the $1 million mark these days in value. So this one's a fraction of that, but it's every bit as good. It actually has the all aluminum 427 GM motor. It's got the right aluminum heads, intake. It's detailed out as if the factory just built the car. There's all the deep groove pulleys for high RPMs, they don't fly off. Complete cowl induction system. All the right GM hoses and clamps and the right battery cables. It's got about 700 or 800 miles on the car since it's been done, so it's ready to drive. All the little quirks have been shook out of it. They say these are 500 horsepower. I believe that's the proper radiator with the gooseneck on it. Cadmium plated brake booster. The right Packard plug wires. Underneath this car is detailed just like what you see here. It looks brand new underneath the car. Probably notice it's a rally sport. The hidden headlight package, that does work. They open and close. Has the bumper guards, spoiler. It's Le Mans blue, and it has a glass finish, clear coat. Has a new set of radial red line tires. The wheels match the car with the poverty caps. Part of the rally sport package is the pinstripe. Like I said earlier, it has the cowl induction hood. It has the exterior trim package, which includes the louvers, the wheel well moldings, and the drip gutters. Of course, vinyl top. All the glass is new, not just the windshield, all the glass, all brand new. New lenses, again bumpers. Part of the rally sport package, the reverse lights were, instead of being here in the tail light, they're down below. The exhaust tips are coming out the way they should be. Take a look inside the trunk here. The rim is completely restored. The jack looks brand new. New rubber mat. All the metal in here is super clean. It's got a nice spatter finish paint. Trunk light is on. All the paint, decals, the wire, everything looks new. All the window seals, weather strips, the jambs are beautiful. That's the deluxe houndstooth interior. All new cushions, so the upholstery fits right. The seats feel nice and firm. It's the console with the stacked gauges. Hers shift linkage. Has the rosewood trim. Even the steering wheel is a rosewood deluxe wheel on a tilt column. And look at this here. You don't see that too many Camaros. Power windows. And part of the deluxe interior was this molded door panel. The standard had a flat door panel with a bolt-on armrest. It's part of the deluxe. It has the correct seat belts in it. All right, we'll fire it up.